this is what happens when you play red light, green light with your dad snoring. So this, what will happen, I'll be using this to control the noise. Make sure I search it up on my TV because the thing won't let me talk, so yeah. Sound effects won't let me talk, so that's why. And by the way, I'm gonna play as Jimmy. Gotta do this. What the heck, Jimmy? What the heck, Jimmy? You're grounded. No, Dad, please, I can explain. Ha ha. You missed this time, Dad. You missed